Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to the book Mother Sea Turtle. The author of our story today is Jane Bingley, and the story is illustrated by Sam Tomasello. Mother Sea Turtle swims to the beach. Then she crawls up on the sand. Mother Sea Turtle picks a good spot to dig a hole. She digs and digs in the sand. Mother Sea Turtle has big flippers. Her flippers are good for digging. Mother Sea Turtle digs a deep hole. The hole is for her eggs. She lays many eggs in the hole. Then she fills the hole with sand. Her eggs are safe under the sand. Mother Sea Turtle crawls back to the sea. Then she swims away. Her big flippers are good for swimming too. The eggs sit under the warm sand. Baby turtles grow inside the eggs. One by one, baby turtles come out of their shells. The baby turtles dig out of the sand. Their little flippers are good for digging. The baby turtles crawl to the sea. Then they swim away. Their little flippers are good for swimming too.